So there is a short AV we want you guys to get focused on first, then I'll talk.
Chartered accountant. Feels good, right? Eton CA is now an established name in the area of test preparation. In its latest move, adding to its ever-expanding network to reach to the last CA aspirant in the country, it has tied up with Professional Academy Mumbai. And how about chartered accountancy in Mumbai, the financial hub of the country?
Now with the reach of Eton across the length and breadth of the country, we are expecting this association to be an excellent, very fruitful and going to be very learner focused.
Professional Academy is a known name in West, especially Mumbai. It is one of the biggest coaching institute for CA, especially the final students. Headquartered in Mumbai, it is dedicated to create a conducive and competitive environment to bring out the best in the students.
We all are very good in our content. All our faculties do a lot of research in trying to bring the best to each and every student.
Thanks to Eton, it would be possible now for all of us to come down to your doorstep.
The faculties here are CA rank holders, renowned authors, members of the technical committee of the ICAI, government and foreign bodies. The conscious pursuit of excellence over the years has led to Professional Academy students picking up a number of All India ranks at CA Final examinations, the recent one being All India Rank 2 in CA Final 2013. Professional Academy offers all CA Final IPCC subjects under one banner, live classroom coaching drawn from practical life so as to render in-depth knowledge of the subject, use of computer-aided techniques in excellent teaching environment, test series at the completion of the course, and timely completion of the syllabus.
Why Professional Academy? Best in class, rock solid content, rockstar faculties.
Professional Academy has taught 18,000 students till date and produced 100 plus rank holders. Eton CA, with its cutting-edge VSAT technology and best faculty, aims to maximize this goal of bringing success to CA aspirants. Eton, with its pan-India network of 185 plus centers, and 350,000 students studied so far, has produced 321 ranks in last 5 years, with 7 All India Rank 1 to its credit.
Professional Academy or Eton ka tie-up was the best thing that could have happened in the course of chartered accountancy.
I'm really excited about the tie-up between Eton CA and Professional Academy. It's like people across India getting to learn from the best academy ever.
With this tie-up, students will be able to study CPT, IPCC, Final, all under one roof. With India's best CA faculty on board, the venture is surely going to benefit many more students in future.
PA and Eton come together and offer you wonderful content, superstar faculties, and cutting-edge VSAT technology. Now, if you happen to miss a class, thanks to your office long hours or a family emergency, you don't have to worry anymore. You will get video archives which you can view at home. Eton also brings to you a test series on a national level. So what is a national level? Eton has 30-40,000 students in a batch, and now you can participate in the test series and get an All India ranking. You don't only compete pan Mumbai, now you compete pan India. So Eton and PA get together and give you solid content, wonderful faculties, and great technology platform. If so many number ones come together, the product has to be number one.
Okay, hi. Good morning. Sir, I'm not a faculty like Prasad sir and Durgesh sir, okay? I'm like this one of you. So, can you hear me, Hardik? You cannot. But I'm generally a loud guy here. Can you hear me now? Aise. Can you hear me now? Okay, then it's just that my hand movements get restricted, nothing else. Okay, I was just observing your reactions while you were watching the AV. How many of us actually heard the AV? Or how many of us had seen this AV earlier? Just one or two. Okay. So it's on PA's website as well. It's on E10's website as well. It's on E10 CA's Facebook page as well. So please go and see it and please hear the content. I know that you guys were really very happy to see your favorite faculties, Durgesh sir speaking and Anuj sir speaking and Prasad sir speaking, right? And I think somebody said something and you guys were like, timely completion of course or something. Anyways, I'm sure that's on the lighter side. All right, so the reason why I'm here, and I'll just take not more than 5 minutes of your time, is to talk about more on this association. What is this association? What is E10? What is PA? Though PA needs no introduction. What will you guys get out of this tie-up individually? Mere ko kya milega? I mean, that's what I think you guys should be kind of looking forward to, right? That, theek hai, you've heard from a lot of sources that this tie-up has happened. And when a very good thing happens or excellent things happens, there is also a rumor mill, right? Ye kya hoega, wo kya hoega. So I'm just trying to address all these things out here at one shot. And I would be happy to answer all your questions once I start talking, right? If you have any questions, please ask. There is no stupid question, right? There is no stupid question. And I'll give you a parallel example to this also. All of us have heard about the organization Apple. Yes. All of us die to have an iPhone, right? And these days iPhone 6. Which only few of us can afford. So, do you know how was the name Apple formed? Why Apple? Why the name Apple? I was told by Prasad sir and Durgesh sir that the crowd in Mumbai is very intelligent. Okay, I'll tell you. Any guesses? It's a random name. Okay. Any other guess apart from this? It's a random name. No? Any guess? You want to take a guess? You? Anybody from the video classes? From Rajkot? No? She's also shaking her head. Hyderabad, Kalyan, Kolkata, Vashi, Andheri? Mosai? Alright. I'm very well trained with all these things, right? So it's not that this is my first time. Okay, yeah. कुछ के अल्फाबेटिकल ए से शुरू होना था इसलिए और फिर ए के बाद पी क्यों आ गया फिर तो ए बी सी ऐसे होना चाहिए था ना एप एनीवेज सो आई विल आंसर दिस फॉर यू ओके सो बिफोर आई स्टार्ट आई शुड आल्सो गिव यू अ क्विक 10-second introduction about myself I'm also happen to be a chartered accountant right and that also long way back in 98 so it's been about good 16 years now. So I don't even remember that I'm a chartered accountant. I also happen to do my MBA after that from Faculty of Management Studies in Delhi. So anyways, and I now have this responsibility of running this E10 CA, or rather the entire E10 platform, which not only offers CA, but also does IAS, CS, Banking Probationary Officer, and many more courses, CFA. And like Durgesh sir said, one very important thing, that PA will be now starting CPT. So please do tell your family, friends, brothers, sisters, and all sorts of friends, right, that we are now coming in with a very big bang very shortly in CPT as well. Okay, so that's very important. Anyways, so coming back on Apple. So all of us know that the founder of Apple is Steve Jobs. All of us know that, right? And now the CEO is Tim Cook. So forget Tim Cook, Apple. Coming back to Apple. So Steve Jobs started this startup, right? Every organization starts from day one with zero revenue and no employee, right? And then only they build an organization. So he asked his board of directors sitting on a table, right? Why don't you suggest the name of this company? So all of these guys, all the board of directors, like all of us in this room, remained silent and quiet. So he said, okay, give me a name in the next 5 seconds. Otherwise, I'll just pull up a random name, like he said. So people started brainstorming, kya naam rakhe and all that. So there was a fruit basket, right? There was a fruit basket on the board table, right? And uske andar ek apple tha. So he just picked up that apple and took a bite while the other board of directors were thinking. So he said, if there is no other name, then let's keep the name as Apple. Right? So that's how the name Apple got formed. And if you look at, if any one of you has an iPhone right now, just look at that apple. That apple also has a bite. So that's the bite which I was telling you. Anyway, so no questions and no thoughts are stupid, right? Apple is the most valued organization, most highly, in terms of valuations, all of you are CA final students, right? That's the most valued organization in the world today. Anyways, forget Apple. We are not out here to talk about Apple. Right? So I'll talk about E10 first. So E10 has been in existence over the last 6 to 7 years, right? And it's the second home for rank holders, and people call us as Rank Factory, right? As you saw in the AB, 321 ranks in the last 5 years. It's outrageous. 5 years is just 10 attempts, guys. Right? 10 attempts and 321 ranks. So I'll tell you my results, or E10's results in the last attempt, 2013. 2013, we got All India Rank 1. We got All India Rank 2. We got All India Rank 3. We got All India Rank 4. And you guessed it, we also got All India Rank 5. So it's crazy. It's like the BJP wave, right? Sara clean sweep. So we also kind of swept the entire CA top ranks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And not only this, we also got All India Rank 1 in IPCC. So we did the impossible double of rank 1 in final as well as rank 1 in IPCC. In the AB, the gentleman was saying that we've got 7 All India Rank 1s so far. 7 All India Rank 1s in the last 5 years. Just imagine. Just try to digest these statistics. Inko socho. When I was doing my CA final, I had only one goal, how to get 401. How many of us aspire for that goal? Oh, ठीक है, rank सुन के उठाओ यार, कोई बात नहीं. All of us are only chasing 400, right? Anyways, so it's a rank factory, and we don't teach face-to-face. That is, E10 doesn't teach face-to-face. E10 is primarily into virtual classes or VSAT, right? So one faculty sitting out of Delhi or Calcutta or Chennai or Bangalore or Mumbai, he's teaching in a studio or in a room like this, just like the other branches out here who are seeing me on virtual classes. So we have one faculty who comes in a studio and teaches, and the same lecture gets beamed across. So it's just the same fundamental. The only difference is that we teach about 30 to 40,000 students in a branch or in a batch. And you will be surprised that what's the power of VSAT or what's the power of virtual classes, right? I'll just explain to you. If you look at All India Rank 1, I spoke about rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look at All India Rank 1, all of us know that last attempt All India Rank 1 came from Nagpur. Gaurav Shrivagi. So he was our student and he came out of Nagpur, right? And our faculty teaches out of Delhi. Just like Kolkata, there are a couple of students in Kolkata, right? What if Durgesh sir and Prasad sir and Anuj sir keep on teaching out here, and All India Rank 1 or All India Rank 1 and 2 goes to the two students who are sitting out of Kolkata right now, or I can at least see 2, right? So that's the power of virtual teaching, and that's the power of VSAT. So All India Rank 1 from Nagpur, All India Rank 2 came from Delhi, but that was also from our virtual class. All India Rank 3 came from Kolkata. All India Rank 4 came from Mumbai. Student was from Rajasthan, like some of you. And All India Rank 5 came from Jaipur or something. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. One faculty is teaching out of Delhi, and people are watching the telecast on a TV or just like, they score ranks here. Look at the penetration. Every nook and corner of the country. And there was a map of India right in the AB, 150 odd centers, 180 odd centers, whatever that number was. Just imagine, right? Just imagine. Anyways, so that's the power of VSAT, right? So why Professional Academy, right? All of us, I don't need to introduce Professional Academy to all of you, right? All of us know that if you have to win Mumbai, there is only one teaching institute, one proper teaching institute in Mumbai. And which is? Uncha bolo yaar. Which is Professional Academy. You guys should be proud of it, yeah. I'm very proud of Professional Academy for sure. Kya content hai yaar? If you read a content, I think it's crazy, yaar. It's fantabulous content on all subjects. Anyways, so certain rumors also come in, right? Some of you were kind of gossiping, ye kya hoega, wo kya hoega, VSAT. Let me clear few things, right? And you should tell this to all your friends also. Right? And the reason why I want to spend 5-7 minutes out here is that I will tell you and you will tell your friends and so on and so forth. Right? That these classes, what you're sitting will continue as is. Right? There is no VSAT teaching out here in Mumbai. It's only face-to-face. right? I mean, out here, you guys will be taught face to face. Andheri, where the other classes happen, right? It's all face to face. It's all face to face. Durgesh sir is going to continue teaching here for the next 50 years. Prasad sir is going to teach here for the next 50 years. Anuj sir is going to teach here for the next 50 years, right? So there is going to be no change of faculty. And while I actually, in fact, spoke similar things at the Andheri Center as well, right? And students started inquiring that, am I a new faculty or something? Can't teach here. If I start teaching section 35D, all of you will either walk out or start throwing stones at me. Okay, so I'm not a faculty. A lot of people construe me as a faculty. It's just that I can talk well, nothing else. So the same set of faculties remain. The same set of faculties remain. There are no changes. Right? No changes. Importantly, we are adding courses. It's CPT next. Right? We'll be opening and announcing our batches in the next 5-6 days now. Right? So it's CPT next. And hopefully we're going to get some ranks in CPT as well this year. So what is the advantage for you as a student? ठीक है, all these are great things. I mean, तुम लोग सोच रहे हो कि ठीक है यार, इन्होंने टाइप कर लिया, मेरे को क्या करना है, मेरा क्या फायदा होएगा यार, and all that, right? All those sort of questions also come in. All of you are comfortable with Hindi also, right? Yes. Cool. I mean, it's Hindi or English. I don't know Kaizala and all that. Okay, so why? Okay, so why? What's in it for me? That's a very important corporate jargon, and I think most of you must be doing articleship as well. मुझे क्या मिल रहा है यार? What's in it for me? Right? So I'll tell you. So I spoke in the AV also, but I think half of you were just watching photographs and smiling, right? That how many of us miss classes? Honestly, hand on heart. Hand on heart. So most of you. I mean, if we were not missing classes, we won't be students, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes? The lady out here said yes so loudly, yeah. I can understand her feeling, right? So I made sure that when I was doing my classes, I used to sit on the back seat, right? Back seat and abhi kitna reh gaya and all that. But I mean, our faculties were not even 10-20% like Prasad sir and Durgesh sir, right? We just cleared by tukka, right? My luck was very good in my CA final examination, and I just tukka lag gaya mera toh. Anyway, so most of us do articleship in Mumbai. Mumbai is the financial hub, is the financial heart of the country. A lot of workload, and guys, this is very important. Please pay attention, because this is. I mean, I spoke about E10, I spoke about PE, I spoke about this tie-up. Now this section is only tumko kya mil raha hai, aapko kya mil raha hai, right? So articleship is very, very demanding in Mumbai. All of us know it. All of us know it, right? And because Mumbai is the financial hub of the country, right? The most of the workload of the country rests in Mumbai, right? If most of you might be in some of you might be in Big Four, some of you might be in the remaining Big Four, and so on and so forth, right? But काम हर जगह उतना ही होता है, right? Perhaps the lower you go in the ranking of the organizations, maybe if you are in like top 50 CA firms in the country, right? तो काम तो उतना ही होता है, right? I mean, because audits हर जगह होते हैं, and tax हर जगह होता है, and 35D हर जगह लगानी होती है, right? So all these things keep on happening, right? And your workload is immense and crazy. Sometimes you come at 11 in the night, 12 in the night, 1 in the night, and especially certain timelines like March 31st, September 30th, right? See, I can, because I'm also a CA, right? Kuch to do yaar. Right? March 31st, September. In fact, I did my articles from Deloitte as well, way back in 95 to 98. So I also experienced the same pressure like you guys are also experiencing, right? That our principals or our partners never used to leave us. Ye bhi karke lana, and they'll give us work at 9 p.m. Acha subah tak taiyar ho jayega. I mean, that's a classic boss, right? But then in the morning, in the 7 o'clock, you have to come and attend Durgesh sir's class also, or Prasad sir's class also. So kaise chalega? Sometimes you come late in the night, come at 12:30, can't get up in the morning, and you're so lazy. I mean, it happens, yeah. Or plus, we also have other priorities in life, which we will not discuss in this classroom. Right? So things happen, yeah. I mean, teaching, coming to the class in the morning is not the only thing in life, isn't it? So this is where the technology platform, you guys are like smiling when I said the last thing, yeah. So now if you look at technology, right, this is where the combination of E10 and Professional Academy is going to do magic for you, right? Just hear very carefully what I'm going to say. So if you happen to miss your class now, right, you don't have to worry. And I'm assuming you're going to miss your class only because of your workload or any family emergency. It's not about other things which we can't discuss in the room, right? If you happen to miss your class, right? Because of all these things, you don't have to worry, right? You fine, you have to call your friend, "Aaj Durgesh sir ne kya padhaya," and all that. That is fine. That's great. But what we will now give you is going to be a video archive, right? You can go home and see the class. You just have to. There will be a unique ID and password which will be given to you. Moving forward, that is. Moving forward, right? Let's assume you missed 10 classes so far. Sorry, this tie-up just happened recently, right? So, moving forward, if you happen to miss a class, right, you don't have to worry, right? You will get the same class in your desktop or your laptop. You can easily watch Durgesh sir from 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. in the morning also, right? Or any convenient time, right? Any convenient time. It's just that you have to watch your class, watch the missed class before the next class, right? So this is a unique advantage which no other CA coaching institute in the country offers. And this is for you guys, right? That if you miss a class, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. It's like if you miss a train or miss a flight, chala gaya yaar. You'll not. But in this case, if you miss a class, you can watch it at home, late in the evening or early in the morning or whatever time you feel like. That's point number one. I will repeat, this is an advantage which no other coaching institute in the country offers. In the country, mark my words. But Professional Academy will offer it to you. That's point number one. Point number two. I also spoke about some test series, right? How many of us like giving tests? Seriously? How will you get ranks then, yaar? How many of us aspire to get ranks? How many of us aspire to be chartered accountants? That magic number of 400. How many of us want to write both groups? How many of us? Most 95% of us want to write both groups. Okay. Why do we want to write both groups? Why not ek karke? The same happened with me also, right? Now we have got ISCA and all. In 98, we had SADP and OR, right? Half of you must not be born also in 98. All of you, I think most of you are 16, 17. Don't take it as a compliment, yaar. Come on, at least the ladies should take it as a compliment, right? So, at that time it was SADP, OR, right? So yeah, both groups advantage of course is set off, right? That's a very, very important advantage. And then if God is kind on you, just like God was kind to me when I wrote my examination, right? Ekdam se agar 4 log gaya, to you become a chartered accountant next day, right? Rather than writing one group, then writing 2 groups. So test series is extremely important, guys. Nobody likes tests in life. Trust me, you're not the only one. If somebody tells me now, when I was a student that, remember our good old days, we used to write weekly examinations and all those, right from school, then college. Who wants to write tests here? But now, you know what? It's serious stuff. It's a question of your own careers. It's your careers. All of us want a job in the best company in the world, and all of us want to become CEO on day one. Isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. But hota nahi hai aise. Trust me, I've been working for the last 16 years. Right? 99, 98. My result came on 12th of January. 99 was my result day. Result day to hamara same hi rehta na, January and November. Isn't it? So, it's been 16 years I've been working, and I'm still aspiring. Right? So life is not easy. And I've been working in a corporate life, right, for the last 16 years. Right? So tests, practice is very, very important. Discipline is very important. Perseverance is very important. If you look at any field. Okay, let's talk about cricket. Who's your favorite cricketer? Abhi tab to retire ho gaya yaar. Virat. Okay, let's take example of Sachin Tendulkar. Right? All of us love Sachin Tendulkar. I'm a die-hard fan of Sachin Tendulkar yaar. Die-hard. All of us are die-hard. Right? How many centuries he scored? 100. Uncha bolo yaar, why are you underconfident? 100 centuries. Why did he score 100 centuries, and why didn't any other person in the world? God gift hai, talent hai, upar se kismat achhi hai. You know what? It's none of the above. It is hard work, it is perseverance, it is discipline, it is passion, and it's the will to succeed, and didn't take life easy. So that exactly the same thing applies to you on your test series. Agar first shot CA बनना है, और बहुत CA बनना ही है, all of us know CA का result कितना आता है? कितना आता है? हाँ? 3 तो एक बार आया था यार. In the last to last attempt, the pass percentage was 3.67. Ask me about it. 3.67. I can give you numbers. And 6.73 last attempt. So let's assume 7%. Let's not take 3. 7%. So out of 100, how many pass? What happens to remaining 93? Right? So the remaining 93 have to be outside this room, okay? You understanding what I'm saying? The other coach, let the other 93 be from other coaching institutes. Not you guys. You guys just can't afford to wait for the next attempt. Just can't. So guys, please take my advice seriously. I know I've been kind of a little jovial, but this is a serious piece of advice now. Coming from a senior chartered accountant, right? I mean, if you don't view me as somebody from E10 and all that, a senior chartered accountant, write tests. Write tests. Even if you fail, even if you score 10 out of 100, doesn't matter. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself for the final examination. Write tests. एक संडे को टेस्ट लिखोगे 10 नंबर आएंगे कोई बात नहीं क्या होएगा यार it's a test at least it's not the D day right write the test next Sunday at least you'll get 25 I'm talking about myself I would have got 25 next 40 next 50 and you know what you're not only writing tests but you're mentally preparing yourself for that D day and when that final examination day comes, day one accounts paper, and you know what, you have written so many tests that day that you will take it as just another test. Just another test, and you will walk over it. You will walk over it, trust me. First day accounts, second day SFM, third day audit, fourth day law, fifth day costing, sixth day IDT, seventh day DT, and finally ISCA. I still remember the sequence. Right? So, I was just testing you, none of you are sleeping at least. So whatever the sequence is, yaar, samajh gaye na? Otherwise, I would be standing here in place of Durgesh sir. Yaar, that will never ever happen, right? So guys, write tests, compete karo, yaar. And you know what? I spoke in the AV also that if let's assume there is a test today, though there is not. Let's assume there is a test today, and all of you write tests. कितने लोग हो तुम? 500 लोग हो गए यहाँ जितने भी होंगे all over, right? All over the also on the virtual classes. 400-500 of you. You will be competing with 500 of yourselves. Somebody will get rank 1 and somebody will get rank 500. Right? Because that's how life is. Right? If 500 people write an examination, somebody's going to get rank 1 and somebody's going to get rank 500. How about writing an examination with 20,000 students? Somebody will get rank 1 and somebody will get rank 20,000 also. And when you write your final CA final examination, how many students are appearing? Guys, you should know this data. It's about 150,000, 1,50,000. Know this data, yaar. Be on top of data. 1.5 lakh बच्चे exam लिखते हैं, right? But you right now will always compete with all of you in one classroom in Ghatkopar. Now this is what E10 will get back to you with. This is the second positive point from this tie-up. You will now get to compete pan-India. You will get to compete pan-India, mark my words. And you will get a result on your email that, what's your name? Dipti. That Dipti is scored All India rank 1. It's not that, it's just that Dipti couldn't believe it. Just give me 10 seconds. It's crazy, guys. Imagine you are writing an examination and competing with 20,000 students, and you'll write a test, and all of us have got blood tests done in our life, right? And when you get a blood test, there is a report. Report में आता है कि आपका cholesterol बहुत बढ़ गया है, आपका XYZ बहुत कम हो गया है, so and so has increased, so and so is reduced, so and so is his range. You'll get a similar report. The way you answer questions in direct tax is perhaps कहानी. आप सब शोले की कहानी लिख रहे हो, सेक्शन 35D आ गया तो शोले की पिक्चर की कहानी लिख दी. I mean, we used to write that, right? That if you don't know any question or any answer, just write some movie. Seriously. Anyways, so don't take me seriously, okay? And क्या हो गया यार? What's the excitement? Any questions so far? Okay, we'll talk once I end. So just imagine here, you get a result, you get a report, you'll get an analysis done that where are you lacking, where are you good, what you should improve upon. So many things will come to you as a value addition here. So many pan-India test series. And I'll repeat that golden words one more time. No other CA coaching institute in the country offers this facility. You will get it. You will now be competing with students from in Delhi, in Calcutta, in Mumbai, in South, in East, in Central, right from Kanyakumari till right from Jammu till Kanyakumari. Okay, so and from Jaipur to Jorhat and Assam. Right, so you will be competing pan-India, and this will be like that D-Day, 1.5 lakh paper, 1.5 lakh bacche paper likh rahe hain, and you can assess, you will get assessed, and you will know that how it works. Guys, this is very, very serious stuff for you. I'll give you an example that how beautifully it has already working for us, and Durgesh sir reminded me of that. CPT, right? We also teach CPT, we teach IPCC. All of you were also CPT students, or some of you were in CPT students in your younger days, right? Seems to be an age, right? So we just concluded our, we do it every year. So we did our Pan-India CPT test also. And trust me guys, we got All India rank 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10, CPT ranks are till 10. The guys who scored All India rank 1 and 10 stood rank 9 and rank 10 in the main examination. Just imagine that guys who wrote this exam, who stood 1 and 2 in that examination test series, stood overall rank 9 and 10. You know why? Because for all the advantages which I was talking about, itne test likhe unhone that they actually took the final test also just like a Sunday test. There was no nervousness. So just look at these advantages, guys. Just look at this. No other coaching institute offers this. Test series, video backup classes, and there are a few other things which no other CA coaching institute offers. That's Durgesh sir, that's Prasad sir, that's Anuj sir, that's Sridhar sir, and that's all the sirs and ma'ams who are remaining, right, at Professional Academy. No other coaching institute in the country has it. Right? Huh? So anyways, so yeah, so just thought I'll share these great insights with you guys out here. Any questions? Anybody wants to ask a question? I know I've tried my best to distract you from 35D today. I'll walk up to there, I can't hear you. Not now, but maybe onwards. आज के बाद we'll do something. I know. Test कैसे देंगे? That's what you said. नहीं, RKH मिलेगा, but there was some other comment also which all of you said in one go. When I said onwards. One, आप बोलो क्या है? She is all India rank 1. Attempt में बहुत दूर है अभी तो यार. Attempt में तो ऐसे बोलो जैसे पता नहीं कितना कोर्स खत्म कर दिया. मिलेगा. Don't worry. We'll do something about it. We'll do something. I mean, that's the value addition we want to offer to our existing students also. Right? You will get it. We'll do something about it. Don't worry. But write tests, guys. Any other questions? पूछो यार. There is no stupid question, guys. Ask. Like Prasad sir says in his class, I want to hear some noise. Something of that sort, right? I want to hear some sound, sorry. I just attended his lecture once here. Give me, and that also in Andheri. Any questions from this side? This slot seems to be a very quiet slot. Yeah? Koi question? Push lo. Koi baat nahi. Okay, so if you don't ask questions, now I'll ask 3. Okay. What will be the fee structure? कुछ करेंगे यार. Don't worry. Guys, one sec. Please hear him. His question might be your question, which you are not asking. So please respect him. Yeah.
Who will be appointed for the paper to be get checked?
Okay. So you've cleared your IPCC, of course. किस पूछा था? जब आपका आईपीसी से रिजल्ट आया था कि किसने चेक किया? पूछा था?
It was implied that CM also checked.
तो वैसे implied कर लेना आप भी. So that's a very good question. I was trying to tease him, right? That's a very, very good question that you guys will come fully prepared and write an examination. Duffers should not be checking your question paper, right? Don't worry. People, there will be an exciting panel. When you see the test series, ना और उसके ऊपर नाम देखोगे ना आप कि test series किसने बनाई है, समझ जाओगे आप. I don't want to say everything. Wait, yaar. I mean, this is teaser, yaar. Wait for the real thing, right? When you see test panel name. टेस्ट पैनल जब टेस्ट सीरीज के ऊपर फर्स्ट पेज पे लिखा होगा ना, दिस टेस्ट सीरीज हैज बीन डिजाइंड, गाइस, दिस टेस्ट सीरीज, अभी टेस्ट कर नहीं है यार, चिल, that this test series has been designed by the following faculties, then you'll understand the seriousness, and you know what, that will get the best out of you also. What gets best out of you, right? When the other person also challenges you. So once you see the names ना, कि ये इन लोगों ने ये टेस्ट सीरीज बनाई है, which are the top 8 faculties in the country for all these respective 8 papers, तब मजा आएगा. Top, mark my words, guys. I didn't want to say all these things, but he asked me this question. The top 8 faculties in the country for these respective papers will be on that panel. Top 8. Think of those 8. Okay? Or and forget about charge bar, yaar, karenge, don't worry. The goal should be to clear first shot. That should be your goal. Any question that side? पूछ लो यार, कोई बात नहीं. You guys are talking amongst yourself. Any question from that side? You have a question? Any question from Rajkot, Kalyan, Vashi, Andheri, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Vasai, and Vijayawada? Any questions? कैसे पता चला?
वीडियो आर्काइव्स का पूछे ना कितने लोगों ने सुनाई नहीं किया. अरे बोला देंगे.
Okay. Guys, one sec. Let's hear the question. Okay, Kalyan, tell me.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, this is regarding that video archives.
Yeah.
So, since our attempt is May or November, so how will it will be applicable for us, because you said it will be applicable onwards batches.
No. So thank you for asking that question. In fact, that was the same question out here as well. So we'll do something about for you guys also. If you missed your classes, you'll do something. You will get it. We are trying our best to make this facility available to you also. So don't worry. Don't worry, guys. That should be your least headache. Leave some headache on us also. Leave some headache for Durgesh sir also, right? Leave some headache. Your goal in life is only one. Rank. Bas rank. That's your goal in life. That's it. And let's clear it for sure. Let's all of us become chartered accountants and let the remaining 93% of people who repeat or people who are going to write the examination next time be outside this room. Any other final question, then I'll give back to Durga. Okay.
Thank you.
Pan-India test series are going to start shortly. Pan-India test series, one sec, I'll come to you. Pan-India test series is going to start Janet. Shortly. Don't worry, by the time the May examination comes, you'll be fully ready to do that. Don't worry. Be confident, yeah. And you know what? Ek or advice as a senior chartered accountant, right? I also had some faculties where I got studied, where I got taught. That faculty told me only one thing, which I still practice. वो पूछता कि अगर कोई तुमसे पूछे ना कि तुम्हारी तैयारी कैसी है, sorry I'll say this in Hindi because that guy told me in Hindi as well and I belong to Delhi. So he said कि कोई आपसे पूछा ना कि आपकी preparation कैसी है, how's your preparation, आपकी तैयारी कैसी है, तो आप यही बोलना, top है, top, सबसे अच्छी तैयारी, चाहे आपने कुछ भी ना पढ़ो. You know what? Because it demotivates the other person. For example, if somebody, आप मुझसे पूछो आपकी तैयारी कैसी है, पूछो, टॉप, कोर्स सारा खत्म हो गया, हाँ हो गया, कितनी बार रिवाइज किया, 4 बार. Okay, I'll take one last question, then I'll give it to Durgesh sir. कोई बीच में सुन लेगा उसका क्वेश्चन? Feedback for? Of course, it will be like a report. And you'll get it on an email. And if they will be. So I'll tell you another important thing. तुम सबने आज मुझसे सब बुलवा लिया यार. I never thought I'm going to speak for half an hour out here यार. I thought I'll take just 5-7 minutes. So your assessors will be some very, very important people in your life, right? In terms of your professional achievement, right? So the feedback. So if let's assume 20,000 people write the examination. I'm just making up a number. Guys, hear this out. 20,000 people write this examination, and you are in the top 100 or top 200. If you are in the top 100 or the top 200, then we'll give you, then those set of faculties which I told you is the top 8 in the country will personally guide you. Imagine Durgesh sir personally guiding you. What's your name? Pranav. See, your friend. Oh, shock of my life. Yeah. Okay. Happens, na? Absolutely, yaar. Happens. Rank bhi tere ko aise leke aana hai. So imagine Pranav sir is getting personal guidance from Durgesh sir, Prasad sir, Sridhar sir, or any other sir which you like, right? कि प्रणव ऐसे नहीं, आज बैठ तो मेरे सामने, मैं तेरे को समझाता हूं कि कैसे लिखते हैं. Just imagine that day. Just imagine. So there'll be top 100 students, top 200 students from country. You could be one of them. There could be so many students in the country. Okay. So there's a question from Vashi. They are saying, will they only get PA lectures or will they get E10 lectures also? You can get any lecture, yaar. Any lecture. If you like a faculty in Delhi, which you want to study from, options are available to you guys. Now you are under the umbrella of PA E10. And tomorrow if some other association happens, you'll be an overall umbrella. You'll get the best faculties in the country. Trust me and mark my words. Best faculty in the country. All right, anything else, guys, before I go? All right, all the best. And please tell about the CPT thing to your friends. If you have a friend or a sister or a brother, the batches are going to start very, very shortly. All right, thank you.